Hi everybody, this is Miss Josie, and now it's time for cooking. Today I'm going to show you a new recipe called fossil cookies. First, let's talk about fossils. Fossils are preserved pieces of our Earth from a long time ago. There can be fossils of animals, dinosaurs, fish, seashells, plants, trees, rocks, wood, all kinds of things from our Earth. Fossils are preserved, which means some of the materials of the item, like the bones or the wood or the footprints or the seashells, the materials that make up those things have changed into minerals or stone. So they last longer, and now we can study them. There are 3 types of fossils that we can study. Ichnofossils are also called trace fossils. Trace fossils show traces of an animal or a dinosaur. Traces could be footprints, a nest, even poop. Ichnofossils or trace fossils show that an animal or a dinosaur used to live here. It shows their traces, but it doesn't show their body. Mold fossils are fossils of things that have been pressed into the earth. Mold fossils can be footprints again, or things like seashells that were pressed into the sand. The mold fossils are just the outlines of what was pressed into the dirt. True form fossils or body fossils are fossils of actual body parts of things that lived long ago. So a body fossil or a true form fossil could be bones, sometimes even skin. It could be a bug inside a piece of amber or fossilized tree sap. So body fossils are the actual body parts of the animal or dinosaur. Fossils are preserved pieces of our Earth from long ago. There can be fossils of animals, dinosaurs, fish, seashells, trees, plants, rocks, and all kinds of other things Today we will make fossil cookies that are mold fossils. But before we start cooking, we need to wash our hands. Every time we cook in the kitchen, we need to wash our hands first. Make sure you use soap and warm water and wash your hands for at least 20 seconds. A good way to remember is to sing the happy birthday song or the ABCs while you're washing your hands. Make sure to kill all those germs. First, you will need to make no spread cookie dough or purchase some from the store. It is important it's no spread dough made for using cookie cutters. Next, form your cookie dough into balls with your hands. This works best if your cookie dough is very cold. I put mine in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Once you have a ball, squish one of your bugs onto your cookie. Carefully remove it and you will see a mold fossil. Make the rest of your fossil cookies and bake them according to the recipe. Wait for your cookies to cool, then enjoy. See you next time!